Yeah, good morning, fellas. As you can see, this is where they've come down through the roof and come into the breaker box here. And connected up to the grow watt inverter that I had. So what we've got here outside is a transfer switch, which we used to have our generator hooked up to. Now that instead of being genset, it's going to be the solar. So we've got a generator for sale. Or if there's during the night and that, we're going to switch it back over to Sunoco. So the main thing was to see if this grow watt would handle. Not sure if you can see that. So there's 190 plus volts coming in off the solar, 236 volts coming in from Sunoco, and the grower up's running at 39%, and that's with our, I think it's a 1.5 horsepower split type aircon running there. So got all the doors open, so it's pretty pointless running it, but it's going there. She's cranked it down to 22 degrees and seems to be running. There's no battery connected to it yet, just waiting for the shipping company to get it here from China. So Felicity Solar were pretty quick in getting it out the door for me, but yeah, there's no battery here yet. That's our solar. She's all hooked up. We can run it during the day. We can so we've got a little hot plate here. Here's the hot plate. I've just been trying stuff out on the thing to see what she's going to run, and with that hot plate cranked up to 2000 degrees, she's maxing her out at 94. So we can have the aircon running and the hot plate. There's only 200 volts coming in at the moment. What do we have there? 5 panels, 41 volts, or 48 volt panels. So yeah, or was it 41 volts? I think it was 50 volts VOC. So yep, it's, what's the time? 6:45 in the morning, so she's running at 6:45 in the morning. I can cook breakfast and have the aircon going. No real point in having the aircon going at 6:45 in the morning, but just wanted to see if it would work. So she's all good. Thanks for watching.